opposites. A big elephant. A small mouse. Big, small. A happy boy. A sad boy. Happy, sad. A hot day. A cold day. Hot, cold. A clean room. A dirty room. Clean, dirty. A slow turtle. A fast leopard. Slow, fast. A young boy. An old man. Young, old. A tall giraffe. A short rabbit. Tall, short. A bright day. A dark night. Day. Night. The boy is pushing the cart. The horse is pulling the cart. Push. Pull. A heavy truck. A light bicycle. Heavy. Light. The shop is open. The shop is closed. Open. Closed. The bridge is over the sea. The submarine is under the sea. Over. Under. The basket is full of apples. This basket is empty. Full. Empty. These are just a few examples. Can you think of more? Keep your eyes open and you'll find opposites everywhere. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share my channel with your little friends.